Okay. Okay. So first of all, you just open the AutoCAD and then click open here, and then you search the file that you have downloaded. So for example, this is Unicl MFI template, and then click open. So it will open the Unicl MFI template file. So now I want to create a template that we can use every time we want to use AutoCAD. So just click here, save as, and then here, add file of type, go to AutoCAD drawing template, and then you can save as. Okay, for example, I have the file here. Sorry, I don't know why today my laptop is a little bit slow. So, okay, I will do one more time. Click save as, and then just using AutoCAD drawing template, and then you can find the Unicl MFI template. You can save as. You type here Unicl MFI template. You can save. So if this is my override, so you can just click OK. So you have the Unicl MFI template .dwt, and then you can close this. After this, if you any project, any drawing, you just click here. You can if the template is here, you can choose here, but if not, you can browse template, and then just find the Unicl MFI template, open. So you can open the drawing. This is the base template, uh, consists of A4, A3, A2, A1, A0. So this is the template. So we are going to draw the orthographic drawing for today. So this is the size. So first of all, I want to draw this from top view, and then we will project here to the front view. So this is 100, and then uh, 100 times 80. So you can draw a rectangle. Okay. In AutoCAD, we want to draw rectangle. Just type REC, enter. Okay. First of all, specify here. You can see specify first corner point, or here the first corner point. Okay. I just randomly, for example, you can hear when there is axis and y axis 300. For example, I choose 300 and comma, and then 300. So this is the starting point of uh, my uh, drawing. So what is the size? So the size is 100 to 80. So x is 100, y is 80. So I can type 100 for x, and then you click comma, and then it will jump to y axis. Y axis is 80. So it will create a circle like this. So this is a rectangle like this. So next one, I want to create. Okay, if we see this is circle, two circle here. So uh, the 18 hole 35 seat mean uh, I want to create first of all. Okay, I want to create a center. So uh, the easiest way is you draw a line, for example, from this point to this point, and then you click C, enter, click this circle, and then 35. C, enter for circle, and then I draw it one more time. So here, anywhere you can type C, the command of circle will appear, and then C, enter, and then you can try to find this midpoint. So uh, please choose this midpoint, and then uh, you can draw. For here you can see specify radius, right? But if you want to do the diameter, you can click diameter here, or you can type D, the blue one, D, enter. So I type D for diameter, enter, and then the computer asks specify diameter for circle, so 35. So this is the main. So this line I delete first, so no need to do anymore. So here I have uh, two plate, one plate here with the top one, and one plate here. Okay, this means this is 10 times 100. So when I want to draw a circle like this, I just can draw a line. For example, from here I draw one line. For example, uh, 60, and then this is will be the starting point. Okay, I draw a line. Okay, you use rectangle, rectangle. This one. Okay, starting from this, I want to create a circle like this. So the length is same 100, and then comma. I want to create bottom here, so minus 10. So it will create a rectangle like this. From this point, I create a rectangle with 100 of line, measure geometry. So this is 100, and then this is 10 millimeter. So I just created this line. So here, this is the construction line. You can delete it. So I want to create the top one first, and then the hole is 18. So in the center here, we will have a hole, L, enter here. So C, enter. This is the, we try to find the center here, C for circle, and then here you can create a circle with 9 because 18, and then you can L, enter. You can do the projection. For example, here, first one, L, enter. Here, the second one, L, enter. Here, the third one, L, enter. Here, the fourth one. Okay, just do the projection like this. Okay, if you cannot do that, just click OS for OSNAP. Please make sure you okay. Make sure you turn on this these 7 points. Okay, so if you turn on, you can see I can line enter. I can choose this midpoint or the end point like this, or any point midpoint of it by using O snap, object snap, and then we can see how the depth of it is 1.5 millimeter. 1.5 millimeter. So using L enter, you create a line here for 1.5 and then connect to perpendicular to this. So you will create the center line like this. So next one, click this as a base point. You click trim, TR here, TR trim, enter, and then trim the upper point like this. So you have trim that, and then using TR, enter, trim the bottom one, the upper one here, the upper one, and the bottom one. So this will be the base of here, the base drawing of this. So next one, I want to create uh, this one. So this bottom one, it should be easy because we have the upper one, and then we can here select all of this, and then mirror. So I can mirror this like this. Please click here as a base point. Make sure the ortho mode is on, and then you can uh, do like this, and then erase the source. Click once, and then the computer asks you want to erase the source object. Enter for no. So you can see we have created the same, but the bottom one is 15. So we must make it longer for 5 millimeter. So to make this, you go here at the right side, click once and release it. Select like this, all of once. Means the point here, 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 all of this point will be selected together, and then click this, and then you type str for stretch. Enter, and then click this, and then you can stretch it for 5 millimeter. You cannot, for example, you cannot choose one by one. For example, you choose like this, and this. If you do choose one by one, you type stretch, and then it will become like this. It cannot be stretched together. So you must click here like this once, and then str stretch for 5 millimeter. So it will be uh, the right side view of this. So next one, uh, I want to create a view from right side here. So we know the length of this is 80. So we have the base of this. So we can choose this first and then copy. I want to copy, click anywhere here, and then move here. Make sure the ortho mode is on. You move here, and then for example 200. So you get this, and then here we don't need the inner. We can choose it together and then delete just for the center line, and you can do the same way. Select like this, str, enter, here 10 millimeter, here also select here like this, str stretch, here 10 millimeter. So it will create di distance from here to here is 80. So I have created this one. So now, like last week, I want to create uh, what we call a bolt. So for this bolt, we can see the two face length is 24. So and the length is 45, and then this is 36 until here. So I will create first the bolt. So I want to create here, and then I want to move until here. So I create a bolt. Uh, we create a circle first. C enter. Okay, for example, 650, comma 350 here, and then 12, and then we have created a circle first, and then I create a polygon 6. Okay, choose the center, and then circumscribe. So for example, I choose this point, so I will create uh, this uh, line first. So next one, just I just want to create L, enter here, from here to here, and then like last week we can see 10 is this 45. So uh, okay, we create the the bolt head first. So I just select this line, CO, copy, click here, and then for example this is uh, 25, enter 35, because 10 millimeter of height, and then I create L, enter here to here. Oh, okay, okay, L, enter from here to here, then I just copy this line, CO, from this point to this point to this point to this point to this point and this point, means every endpoint here, the the intersection point between circle and hexagon and the endpoint, this is also the same. So you have created like this, and then just click these two lines, trims, trim here and trim here. So you will create something like this, and then here the second line, you rotate, click here, C, enter for 60 degrees, and then you draw a line, L, enter, and then choose this intersection point, draw a line until this. So you can create something like this, and then here you delete first, and then A for up, enter, 1, 2, 3. A again, up, enter, 1, 2, oops, sorry. A, enter, 1, 2, 3. A, enter, 1, 2, 3. So please create 3 arcs like this. So you can select the second line, the second from left, and the second from top. Delete this first, and then you can do the trimming. TR for trim, enter, and then trim these two, and then trim these two, and trim the line between this point. So this is the what we call the bolt, the bolt head. So next one, how long the bolt? This is 45. So you can choose this line, and then by choosing this line, and then you can move here and click lengthen, go down for 45 mm, and then uh, please do the offset O, enter, offset, enter, 45, enter, and then from this line to this line. So you can offset like this, and then O enter. This is uh, M16. So please offset 8 mm to the right and to the left, and then you can select this line, and this line. You can do the trim over here, over here, here, and here. So you have created like this. So next one, this is 36. So please do the offset O for offset. Enter 36. Enter. So you do the offset like this 36, and then do the chamfer. CHA for chamfer. Enter. So I want to do the chamfer here and here. So in the chamfer, this is the distance. You can click distance here, and then chamfer first distance is 1 mm. Second chamfer distance is also 1 mm. 1. Enter. And then you want to do it 2 times. So please click multiple here. So once here, and then you do the select these two line, and you will create the chamfer like this. So you can do the line enter here to here, and then do the line again, line enter from here to here, line enter from here to here. So you have created something like this. So next one, for the finishing, I want to create the unfinished track here. So just click this line. You type RO for rotate. Click this point for 100. C for copy. Enter 150 degrees. 150 degrees. Enter. So this is the unfinished track. So you just click this line. You trim, and then like this. So it will trim the lines. So this line you have done it. So just click here, and then do the mirror. MI for mirror. Enter. Click this point to this point. So then erase source object. No. Enter. So you have created something like this. So here we want to finish the product. So the first of all, I want to create line, center line, here to here. L enter. Here to here. So this center line should be some 3 millimeters over the circle like this. So we can use, I usually if something like this, I offset first. O offset. Enter 3 millimeter. Enter. So offset 3 millimeter, and then select this line, and then I use EX for extend. Here extend. Enter. So I extend this line, this line, this line, and this line. So then I can delete this. So this, for this, I just click here, and then lengthen 3 mm above. Here lengthen 3 mm to the bottom. So I have created something like this. So for these two, I just copy here and put here, and there is no circle for this, so we delete it. And then if we see the washer is 30, I just want to create another circle. C enter. Here 50. So you will create something like this. So this one is finished. So I select all, put in the solid, and then these two line I put in the center line. So it will become like this. This is solid one. So for here, select all of this, put in solid, and these two line is center, but this is two different line. If I want to connect it, just select these two and then click J, join, enter. It will join into one line. Two lines is joined into one line. So here, uh, I want to create a washer. So we draw REC, enter, anywhere here. Just click here, and then 30, comma 1.5, for example. It, uh, okay, sorry. The washer should be 2 milli. REC, enter, 30, comma 2 milli. So here the washer change to solid, and then select this washer, move, enter, this to here, this. So you will create a washer here, and then I just want to copy copy from this point. This is the base point of washer, and then put here at the bottom one. So you have created two washer. This is same last week. Just trim here and here, here and here. There are no washer here. So you have finished this one, and then select this all, make it solid, center line, lengthen for 3 mm, downwards also lengthen 3 mm. So this is the center line, and then this is the normal line. So please keep normal. So you have done this, and then just select all of this. You can group together first. So click here, copy first, copy, and then just select this point and put here, like playing Lego. Put the bolt where you want to put it, and then in the bolt, in the washer there are no lines here, so you can select ungroup this, and then trim. In washer there are no lines, and there are no these two lines. And in the bolt, here is bolt, you can trim here, trim these two. So you have finished this, and then you want to create a bolt here. So nut. So I just ungroup this first. Ungroup. So I trim first. Trim all of this, and then select all of this. I delete. So the nut should be longer. So for 3 mm, select all of this. EXC. Sorry. Select of this. stretch for 3 mm below, and then here also I select this line, then turn 3 mm. So I have done this. This I rotate, RO, enter, here 180 degrees. So it will become like this, and then I can select all of this, M for move, choose here, and I will move here. So I have created something like this. So next one, just click this line and trim the yellow and blue here, yellow and blue. So it will become like this. So we have finished creating something like this, and then I want to finish this one. So how I can finish this? So we use the projection method to finish this, and then for example, this is center line, so I just click here, click join. J, enter. So three lines join to one, only one center line here. And then I want to click this two, and then copy first. Copy, maybe I can use, okay, uh, difficult copy from this. Uh, so we use the projection. Okay, to do the projection, L enter. I draw line here, for example here like this. L enter, draw a line here. L enter, draw a line here. L enter, draw a line here. So we will get something like this. So I draw a line from this point to this point. So it will create the projection line. Delete. And then for example, this line, L enter. I want to project this line, L enter, this line. So by doing projection, just draw a straight line here, L enter, draw a straight line here. So we have project this line. So I just draw a line, L enter, from this line to this line, and L enter from this line to this line. So it will create something like this. So this one I just create this and this, and then these two new lines that I created, and then just do the trim, enter, select this and this, and then create click this to trim, trim all of this, trim all of this, and then uh, do the trim again, select this and this circle, trim, trim here and trim here, trim here and trim here. So it will create something like this. So the center line, I just want to uh, lengthen it until here. So I want to do the L enter, this one, from here to here, L enter, from here to here, and then I want to do the projection for this. Delete, L enter, from here to here, L enter, from here to here. So I just want to create L enter here. This is the L enter, the lines, and then same before, L enter, the line between this also I want to project. L enter, this also want to be projected. Oh, sorry, just copy this. I can copy this line, CO, copy, put here, the middle and here. So for easy to understand, select here, trim first, trim all of this. So you can select this, copy from here to here to here and here. So you have copy this, you will get the point, and then do the line and enter here and here. L enter, from here to here. So this will be the projection of the head. If we see from side, it will become like this. So So we have project. So I want to trim the line that we don't want. So I select these two lines, and then the outer line, and then the top one and the bottom one, and do the trimming. TR enter. Just trim here, trim this, and trim this, and the inner one, trim this and this, and the upper one, trim this, trim this, and trim this. So you will get something like this. So do the up, A, enter, one, two, three, A, enter, one, two, three. So A, enter again, one, two, three, A, enter, one, two, three. So I have finished drawing like this, and then we can select this from the top, the second line, from right, second line, from left, also second line, and from bottom, also second line. You can delete this line. So this is the uh, bolt head and the nut, and then just want to copy this, select all of this, CO, and then you can pick this point and put at this point. So it will become like this. So you can highlight this one, put it in solid line, and then this is multiple center line. Just select this, J, enter. Still not join all. Oh, it join to one line. So this is the drawing for base. So we have finished this. uh, so next one, I was to delete this and put it in A3 size. So for A3, you type REC, rectangle. Okay, the first one is 0. First corner point is 0, 0, 0, comma 0, and then put like this, and 420, comma 297. So please do the offset. O, enter, 10 milli, enter. So this is the frame. So now you have created the A3 size, and then you want to move to A3. Select all of this, and then search, click M, enter. Okay, I want to pick the midpoint between this and this. So shift, hold shift, right click, mid between 2 points, from this point to this point. So you grab at middle point here, and then you want to put mid between 2 point again. So shift, right click, mid between 2 points, from this point to this point. So a little bit up, doesn't matter. Just select this, M, enter, click anywhere, and then go down for example 25 millimeter. So you will create a orthographic drawing like this, and then you can choose to do the hatch, change the layer to the hash, click H, enter, and then pick up this internal point, change to 30. Sorry, click escape first, escape button, and then H, enter, click this, and then change the angle to 90 degrees. So it will create two uh, drawing like this. So this is the uh, base of these three orthographic drawing. So uh, today I will teach you until this, and I will share you this video, and then please from 12 to to 2 p.m. There is no physical class today. So please try to do it uh, by uh, by following the video that I will share you after this. So uh, today at 12 o'clock, three students will have test one. So I will do the test one. Today's assignment, 2 week assignment. So until today, please do this drawing first. Next week we will continue to finish the drawing to become uh, like this. So I will teach you how to finish the drawing until here next week. So I will stop the recording and then I will share this video. So uh, sorry, today's class until here. Any question? Yes. Uh, tak ada tak ada kena tapi kita akan sambung next week. Finishing dia. So today just try to use this video and then try create your own. Okay, because next week we will finish the drawing until this. Kita akan settlekan lukisan ni macam mana nak buat ni dimension semua next week. So this week just you learn how to create a projection drawing, orthographic drawing like this. Okay. So any other question? So I will